Hey guys, today I have a holiday video and it's in partnership with Sally Hansen. Sally Hansen is back with another beloved Crayola collaboration, and it is the Sally Hansen Crayola Glam Rock Insta-Dri Polish collection, and I am going to show you guys how to give yourself a really quick holiday manicure in a minute. Additionally, I'm going to show you guys two more products that are a part of this month's spotlight, and that is the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover and also the Sally Hansen Complete Care 7-in-1 Nail Treatment. So let's get started. The first thing I love to do is some cuticle care, and I am using the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. This product is one of my OG products. I've been using this for forever. I love it. I live by it. All you do is squeeze a thin layer along your nail beds, and what I really love is how cooling it feels. After 15 seconds, your cuticles are delicate enough to remove, and just gently push them back. After doing so, just rinse off with some warm soapy water. Next thing I love to do is to strengthen my nails. I'm using the Sally Hansen Complete Care 7-in-1 Nail Treatment. This is so awesome. You can actually use this as a base coat, as a long wearing top coat, or just over your bare nails. But what I love is that it helps revive dry and brittle nails. I do this all the time just so that my nails are healthier and stronger. So now it's time for color, and this is where I can show you guys how awesome the Insta-Dri polish is. I absolutely love Sally Hansen's Insta-Dri polish, and the Crayola collaboration with the metallics, oh, it's just too much. This collection is filled with 12 gorgeous metallic shades. I'm using Sally Hansen Crayola Insta-Dri polish in the color Metallic Sunburst. It's a really pretty holiday gold, and I'm just obsessed. Because this product is 3-in-1, you do not need anything else, so you just do one stroke, one coat, 1 minute, and guess what, guys? You're done. Here is my completed mani, and I love it, you guys, because obviously during the holidays you're very busy, but with Sally Hansen's Insta-Dri polish and especially this Crayola collaboration, guys, it takes a minute to give yourself a gorgeous manicure, and that is just awesome. And as usual, I'm going to have the links to the products I used in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you with all my heart, and I'm going to see you really soon with another video. So until then, bye guys!